Get the picture.
Out of my high-tech camera.
Where did your daddy go?
This is a lineup.
Yeah, it does. Looks like one, doesn't it?
What numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 3, turn around.
You turn around first.
Yeah, I did not do it.
Hey!
Surprise! Hey, surprise!
Hi, Ted. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Happy birthday.
Hey, girl, Travis. Good to see you.
She even knows everybody's names. Hey,
I don't know. We'll find out later. Hey, Ted. Good to see you. Thanks so much
thanks for
coming.
inviting us. Now we're happy to be here. Thanks.
We need to stick a photo on right now.
Yeah, can you let us enjoy the celebration for a moment? And then we'll make it all about you next.
Garrett, I think we gotta let him warm up.
Happy birthday, Judy.
Don't want to take her out.
Happy birthday, Judy. Grandson? He's around here.
We're all here too. Happy birthday.
You were surprised.
Happy birthday.
I don't want to be in those pictures.
Have a birthday. Now you know why we wouldn't go to PJ's Caboose and get Hello. Behind the camera.
Oh, it's right here. She around taking gift.
Hi, John.
Hey, how are you? Just fine. Good to see you.
How are you?
And then at the last minute, she's like, "What are you doing?" I thought of another place. I was like, let's just go to Skidoo.